Happy Monday, 27th of May 2024, and I am out for beach adventure in Stockholm, more specifically in Orhem. And I am on the rocky part of the beach that's right next to the Orhem naturistbad, the jetty that I have shown you a few times before. And it's a wonderful day in Stockholm with 24 degrees Celsius right now in the air, and I have already measured it was 20 degrees Celsius in the lake. It's now so warmed up from all the hot weather, so it's gonna be so fun and nice to take a swim, longer swim today a bit. And yes, I was in Riga for the weekend and explore many beaches there on the Baltic Sea. So now I'm back and ready to continue my Sweden beach adventures. So this beach is only 9 kilometers away from my home, around 22 minutes one way approximately. I came here with my Scott, and it is a super nice wild rocky beach in the nature reserve of Orhem. So yes, this is the first time that I have measured over 20 degrees Celsius in the water, so it is quite exciting to feel that hot water. Hot lake. This is Lake Drevviken, of course. And this is beach the number 45 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. And it's so hot, not so common for this time of the year in Sweden, but I love it. It's amazing to take a swim in the lake, and I'm the only one here today. So let's get going with our swim today here in Orhem. Alright, so now we are dealing with rocks, and I see here the bottom, so that's perfect. It's amazing. Look at that. Did you look at that? Brilliant. Another fantastic sunny day, and this weather is gonna stay like this for a while, so that's amazing. All right, then I'm ready to take a dive because the water feels so nice and warm. To be fair, I measured it at the very end, so it might be a bit colder over here, but still 20 degrees over on the edge. It's still very warm for this 27th of May. Then let's take a swim. Amazing. It's so warm and refreshing at the same time. Slightly colder than the outdoor temperature, and it gets deep really fast here. But the lake Drevviken is amazing, as you can see. Brilliant. And look at the wonderful nature that I'm looking at right now from the lake. I don't feel any cold at all. It is brilliant indeed. Amazing. Yes, that's fantastic. So it's so nice to be able to swim a bit longer when it is not cold, and in this wonderful nature I feel so blessed that I have so close to so many beautiful beach locations to relax a bit. Alright, then that's a wrap from Orhem, these beautiful wild rocks here in the Orhem neighborhood and nature reserve in Stockholm. It's actually Flatten Nature Reserve, if I remember correctly, but yeah, it's nature reserve for sure. So thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.